Yo, welcome back to Mystery Bar Kitchen. Today we're doing a quick and easy French bread pizza. It's healthier and cheaper than regular pizza. Alright, we got classic pepperoni and buffalo chicken ranch. Tap in and let me show you how to do this. Alright, good people, go ahead and pause this video, screenshot the ingredients, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and let's get to it. Alright, here's all the ingredients. Alright, we got our Alfredo sauce, we got our marinara sauce, we got some peppers and onions, we got some pepperoni, our garlic parm butter, and we got some buffalo sauce that we're going to use for the buffalo chicken pizza, okay? And we also have our chicken that's diced up. We got some leftover rotisserie chicken from Publix, so we're going to go ahead and use that. Here's our French bread. Now they have different brands. I don't think it's a difference to me, but grab whatever you could. Get one or two of these and you're all set. All right, and this is our mozzarella cheese. I freshly shredded this. This is the best option, but if you can't freshly shred it, the regular shredded in a bag is cool too. All right, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and cut your onions and cut your peppers. And the first thing you want to do is cut the ends of the onions, take the skin off, and take the core out. I forgot to take the core out. I apologize, but make sure you don't forget that. Then you want to go ahead and cut the meat off the pepper and get rid of the core. Then you want to slice the peppers and onions nice and thin. Next, go ahead and get your peppers and onions in the bowl, set it aside. Go ahead and get your station together so you can go ahead and saute your vegetables. All right, what you want to do is you want to set your heat to like a medium heat. Get yourself a frying pan, add a little bit of oil to it, and then go ahead and saute your peppers and onions. Now all you really want to do is just saute these till it's nice and translucent, nice and soft, kind of give it a head start. But if you like yours a little bit crispy, then skip this step. Just go ahead and add it straight to your pizza and you're all good. But for me, I like mine a little bit softer and kind of cook off some of the little bite of the onions and the peppers. And then I like to let it cool, and then I go ahead and assemble my pizza with it. All right, next you want to go ahead and cut your French bread in half. So if you don't have a knife like I have, like a serrated knife, which is pretty much a bread knife, that's what we use to cut bread with. If you don't have this, you can use a regular chef knife or whatever knife you got in your house, but make sure you be careful when you cut this, all right? Once you get it cut in half, try to cut it as even as you can. If not, don't worry about it, it's not a big deal. Go ahead and get yourself that garlic butter that we talked about earlier. This consists of garlic paste, Italian seasoning paste. You can get both of those from Publix or any store, Walmart, I think they have both. But it's Italian paste, garlic paste, Kerrygold butter, fresh chopped parsley, and that's it. Go ahead and spread that over your bread, put it in the oven and bake it for maybe 5 to 10 minutes just to get it nice and crispy and melt the butter. And then go ahead and add your sauces to it. So the first one I'm doing is the classic pepperoni. We're gonna go ahead and add our marinara to it. Make sure that we press down on the bread a little bit to kind of form a pocket. And then add as much marinara as you want to add. And once you add that, go ahead and add some cheese down. Add as much cheese. You can never go wrong with a lot of cheese on pizza. Come on, now, this pizza we're talking about here, all right? And then once you add the cheese, go ahead and add you some pepperoni. Same thing. You can never go wrong with a lot of pepperoni. You know what I'm saying? The more the better in my opinion. And boom, there you have it. Now, we're going to do an Alfredo pizza, or the buffalo chicken one. And we use Alfredo sauce with this one, all right? So the same thing, press down the bread a little bit to form a pocket, add some mozzarella cheese, then go ahead and add you some chicken. And then once you get that chicken on there, go ahead and add yourself some vegetables, some cheese, and then go ahead and add yourself some of that buffalo sauce on top of that. You know what I'm saying? And then add a little bit more cheese on top of that. And once you finish the assembly process, go ahead and add the pizza onto the sheet pan or the baking sheet that you used earlier to bake the bread. Put it back in the oven and then let it bake till the cheese is nice and bubbly and melted and everything is nice and hot, and then you're all good. All right, boom, there you have it. Mystery bar version of French bread pizza. As I said, we got some classic pepperoni at the top with some good old marinara. Then we got us that Buffalo Ranch chicken at the bottom. We got us some Hidden Valley Ranch. We got us some green onions on top of that. Maybe add a little bit more buffalo sauce on top. Why not? Why not? You hear that crispiness? You hear that crust? Come on now. Perfection. All right. Let's go ahead and see if we can break this off and get us a little cheese pull action. If you like this video and you want to follow us on the journey, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. And we'll see you in the next one. And remember, if it ain't good, throw the whole plate away.